Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Poha Upma. Very easy to make and a very healthy breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, half teaspoon of chopped green chilies and few curry leaves. Give this a good salt. Then to this add quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of chilli powder. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 cup of poha and mix well. Poha is a very healthy ingredient. It controls blood sugar levels. It is a good probiotic, good source of healthy carbohydrates, easily digestible, rich in iron and low in calories. Now start to add little water at a time and mix it well. Continue to add water until the poha is well done. I've added about 2 cups of water and the poha is well done now. Mix well until they are completely dry. Now we have the proper upma consistency, so sprinkle some coriander leaves and off the flame. Now a delicious poha upma is ready. Serve it hot with some chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this poha upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.